Hello guys, today the video is about unboxing of Google Pixel 3. So this comes in this nice package. I have ordered black version. So let's go inside and let's see. So as you can see, here is the device itself. For the time being I am keeping this aside, and inside the box we have SIM removal pin, some documentation. Let's get started. And then we have got a headset which will connect to our USB-C. We have the charging cable, USB to Type-C adapter, and 3.5 adapter, and here we should have our charging brick. Yeah, so now let's look into the device. It is nicely wrapped here. And as I said, this is the black version, and here you have textured made black finish, and this is glass. So that's it guys, thanks for watching.